Welcome to PreMath. In this video lesson, we are going to solve this given logarithmic equation, log of x with the base 7 plus log of x with the base 8 equals to 1. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. So let's go ahead and get started with the solution. And since we want to solve for x, so we are going to manipulate this equation. And here's the very first step we are going to do. Let's move this log of x with the base 8 to the right hand side. So we can write this one as log of x with the base 7 is going to be on the left hand side equal to 1 minus log of x with the base 8. Now let's recall this famous logarithmic identity. Log of a with the base a is always equal to 1. And now we want to tweak this 1, and this 1 could be written as log of 8 with the base 8 equals to 1. So therefore on the right hand side, I can replace this 1 by this log of 8 with the base 8 and then minus log of x with the base 8. Now we can see on the right hand side all these logs have same base, which is 8. And now here on the right hand side we got the difference of two logs with the same base. So therefore we are going to use this quotient rule. So therefore on the right hand side this could be written as log of, if we use this rule, this is going to be 8 divided by x with the base 8, and on the left hand side is going to stay same, log of x with the base 7. And here we have two logs, they are equal. Let me go ahead and equate these one with another dummy variable u. Then I can equate these two. Log of, I can write log of x with the base 7 equals to u. And likewise, I can equate these one as well. I can write this one log of 8 divided by x with the base 8 equals to u as well. And now let's go ahead and convert these logarithmic form into exponential form by using this well-known fact. So therefore, this logarithmic form could be converted into exponential form by using this rule, writing as 7 power u equals to x. And likewise, we are going to convert this logarithmic form into exponential form by just writing as 8 power u equals to 8 divided by x. And here's our next step. Let's go ahead and multiply these equations. That means we are going to multiply the left hand side with the left hand side, and likewise right hand side with the right hand side. So therefore this could be written as 7 power u times 8 power u equals to x times, on the right hand side, 8 divided by x. And now let's focus on the left hand side. We are going to use this well-known fact. So this 7 power u times 8 power u could be written as 7 times 8 whole power u, and on the right hand side this x and x cancel each other out, so we ended up with just simply 8 on the right hand side. And now this inside this parentheses, 7 times 8 could be written as 56. So this equation could be written as 56 power u equals to 8. Now in this next step, let's go ahead and convert this exponential form into this logarithmic form by using this fact. So therefore, this could be converted as u equals to log of 8 with the base 56. And now let's focus on this equation. Log of x with the base 7 equals to u. And here I have copied down this equation right up here, and now we can compare these two equations, this equation and this equation. Now since the left hand sides are same, so we can go ahead and equate the right hand side as well. Log of x with the base 7 equals to log of 8 with the base 56. And now we can see on the right hand side this part, log of 8 with the 56, this is just a constant. Let's go ahead and solve for this x by using this well-known fact once again. So therefore our x value is going to be equal to 7 power log of 8 with the base 56, and that is our solution. So thus our solution turns out to be x equal to 7 power log of 8 with the base 56. And if we use a calculator, log of 8 with the base 56 is approximately equal to 0.5166. Or in terms of decimals, our x value is approximately equal to 2.733. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.